What is generative AI? Before understanding generative AI, let's first understand what exactly is an AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence and is like a smart robot or computer program that can learn and make decisions. It's similar to how humans use their brains to learn from experiences and solve problems. Now, what exactly is generative AI? Generative AI is a type of AI that can create new things like stories, images, music, or even videos. Think of it as a virtual artist or writer that can come up with new and original creations. How does generative AI work? Generative AI learns from data. Imagine you want to teach a robot to draw. You show it thousands of drawings so it can learn the patterns and styles. Generative AI works similarly. It studies a lot of examples to understand how to create something new. Generative AI learns from patterns and rules. Just like you learn grammar rules to write sentences, generative AI learns rules and patterns from the data it sees. It doesn't copy exactly, but uses what it learned to make something new. Generative AI creates new things. Once it has learned enough, it can start creating its own drawings, stories, or even music. It's like a friend who has read a lot of books and can now write their own interesting stories. Let's now see some real world examples. Have you ever chatted with a customer service bot? That's AI using what it has learned to answer your questions. Some AI programs can create beautiful paintings or compose music. They learn from thousands of artworks or music pieces to make something new and unique. There are AI tools that can write stories or articles. They study a lot of text to understand how to write like a human. You can do an interactive activity with AI tool. For example, you can create a story together. To do this, pick a theme for a story like a magical forest or an adventure in space. To write the first sentence of the story, use an AI writing tool to generate the next part of the story. You can find simple online tools for this. For example, Google's verse by verse AI Dungeon and ChatGPT can help you to do this. Take turns with the AI to add sentences to the story. See how creative and fun the story becomes. Now remember some key points. Generative AI needs to see lots of examples to learn. It uses what it learned to make something new, not just copy. Generative AI can do creative things like making art, music, or stories. So let's summarize what we learned today. Generative AI is like a super smart friend who learns from everything it sees and then creates new, exciting things. It's used in many fun and helpful ways, making our interactions with technology more creative and enjoyable.